was calm and holy, and the world lay fast asleep. But heaven held its breath as love descended soft and deep. A baby in a manger, wrapped in starlight from above. The silent world awakened at the whisper of his love. The shepherds heard the echo of an anthem in the sky, a gentle glowing promise sent to earth from on high. A child so small and tender, yet the King all prophets praised, and every heart that sought him felt its weary spirit raised. The darkness bowed before him as all heaven did proclaim. Hope had found its cradle when the angels sang his name. The cry of heaven, oh, hear the sound of glory in a world so cold and still. A Savior born to bless the broken, born to do the Father's will. Let every trembling soul rejoice, let every troubled heart proclaim. The light of heaven walk the earth. The night the angels sang his name.
The manger and the majesty, the cattle softly murmured as the sky began to glow, and Mary kissed his forehead with a love the world would know. The wise men journeyed trembling, led by heaven's blazing sign,
to worship at his cradle, bearing gifts of gold divine. No royal robe adorned him, and no palace graced his bed, yet power filled the stable where the Son of God was laid. For every ancient promise found its birth in that dark place, and every eye that saw him felt the touch of sacred grace. He came to lift the lowly, break the chains of grief and shame. The world stood still in wonder when the angels sang his name. The call to worship, oh, hear the sound of mercy in a world of winter pain. A Savior born to heal the weary, born to cleanse the deepest stain. Lift up your voice, let sorrow flee, let hope return like gentle flame. For peace and glory fill the earth. A star that never dies, and still that star is shining through the storms that fill our days, a guiding light for wanderers who seek him through the haze. The song sung over Bethlehem still echoes through the years. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel. Still drying all our tears, kneel before the manger now. Your burdens he will bear, for the child who warmed the winter night still answers every name. Let every heart prepare him room. Oh, hear the sound of heaven as it softly calls your name. A Savior born for you that night, a love the world cannot contain. Let every nation lift their cry, let every voice his praise proclaim. The world was changed forever when the angels sang his name.